In front of me is Nokia 6300 from 2020, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps. Just tap on your home key, then find and select settings. Here they are, and locate personalization. Then tap on display and choose wallpaper. And you can either pick something from your gallery, grab a picture with camera, or choose default wallpaper. And this is what I will pick. Let me pick this one. Tap on save then. Now you can also just tap on select. And you can also change the brightness then. And let me go back. As you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering your screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.